How to send photos and TikTok message. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now as you're logged into your account, tap on any of the profile, for example over here, so that you can send photos in the TikTok message. Now to get them to the message, you have to tap on their profile. Now as you tap on profile, you can see the message icon over here beside the follow button. So tap on message, and as you tap on message, here you can see the option of gallery and camera on the both ends over here at the bottom of the screen. So as you tap on camera, you see it says this feature is not available in the receiver's country or region. Next, you can tap on the gallery icon and it says the same, that this feature is not available in the receiver's country or region. So if this feature is available, then this is the exact process, but if not, then you'll not be able to send any photos and TikTok message. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.